Hey there, I'm Ben from Overland Garage, and what we're talking about today is something that a good friend of mine, Scott, turned me on to, and we're talking about Thompson's Performance products today. So one of the first things we're going to do is I've already actually done it, but I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we're actually doing. What we're going to do is I've taken all the Thompson Performance products off of this motor. This is a 2004 LQ9 out of an Escalade that I've done some work with Stage 2 Eglin cam, and I've done a bunch of other accessories, performance upgrades, but the motor in essence is completely stock other than a cam, springs, push rods, and 750 double pumper Holley carburetor. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the engine completely stock, no Thompson's Performance products, and we're going to hopefully show you the difference with what the PowerBlast plates do to a carbureted engine. So right now what we're going to do is start the engine, let it come up to temperature for a few seconds, and then show you what it does stock, and then we'll put the plates on and show you that. Alright, so this is what we got going on. This is a Holley 750 double pumper. Pretty much stock other than the Stage 2 cam LQ9 6 liter with 6.2 heads off of an L82. And so yeah, we're just gonna start it now, and I'm gonna show you what it does in stock form. So this is without any performance plate. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but see how the fuel just kind of dribbles in there? That's what we're trying to fix. Alright, so now what we've done is we've installed the Thompson Performance PowerBlast Plate. And so in essence what these do is they're trying to atomize the fuel as it goes into the carburetor. So you're getting a cleaner, more efficient fuel burn. So hopefully I'll be able to show you that on camera. All right, we're gonna start this up again, and I'm hoping to show you what the difference is. You should be able to see how the fuel atomizes differently than just dripping into the carburetor. See that pattern? You can actually hear the difference in the carburetor and how much throttle response it's got now too. So as you can see, the difference between the two, without the plates and with those PowerBlast plates, what a difference in throttle response. And I think from what Scott's told me, overall fuel economy and response is completely changed. And you can actually hear this if you're in the car. It's hard to describe on a camera, but if you're in the car, you can actually hear the exhaust note and the way the carburetor responds differently. If you put this in my car and I didn't know it, I would be like, what happened? This isn't even the same car. So I'm very happy with the product. I will continue to use Thompson Performance products. I'm not sponsored to tell you this, but I am so happy that I'm gonna show you another product in another video. So continue to watch our channel and check it out, and I will have the other video uploaded soon. But thanks for watching, stay tuned, this is Overland Garage.